Hi everybody and welcome to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are going to review this beautiful appliance. Here is an automatic air fryer and oven and toaster all in one. So this is a countertop air fryer plus an oven. Let me show you all of the features to it. So we have the timer, we have the temperature gauge, we have the air fryer, or broil or warm, bake, rotisserie, and bake and toast. And then over here, for the toaster, you have the light, medium, and dark. Today we're going to make a meal using the air fryer. What all is included in this? We have, these are little tool to take out your cookie sheet or to take out your pan so you don't burn your hands. We also have these, and this goes in the rotisserie chicken. These are used for rotisserie chicken. We also have this. This is for the rotisserie chicken. You put the chicken on it and it will automatically turn. We also have this. This is a tool to help bring out your pan so you do not burn your hands. It comes with your baking sheet and it comes with a rack. And the baking sheet can be used as a rack as well. Because we're going to use the air fryer, today we are going to use the air fryer basket. We're going to go ahead and put the potatoes in here, and then we are going to cook them, and I'll let you see how well does it fry with the air fryer. Potatoes in the air fryer mesh. And we'll see how good these are. I am not sure about it, but we shall see. Then I'm going to use this baking sheet to use for the one chicken patty I have. The air fryer comes with its own little cookbook. It has a manual with it, and it has the warranty. So if you're not sure about what to make in an air fryer, it has all the recipes to get you started. Got the air fryer going. The fan is blowing. Everything's finished. It cooks really fast. I have a chicken sandwich for me and the burger is for hubby. I'm going to go ahead and plate everything up and show you what it looks like. There you go, everyone. Is a simple plate of food that doesn't have much cost to it.